I've got this Travel RX kit here. I absolutely love this concept. The company did gift this to me. I'm going to tell you everything that you need to know. This Travel RX kit solves a major problem, and that is this. We have to go on our trip, and I have to pack all this big, bulky stuff in my bag. So this solves that problem. It's grab and go. You can get multiple of these. Just have them ready on hand. And when you go on a trip, just throw one in your bag. These are TSA friendly, so you're going to be able to take them with you. Among those 70 tablets is 12 different types of over-the-counter medication. You're going to have 3 types of pain relief in here. We've got stuff for digestion and nausea, acid reflux, another digestion acid reflux, diarrhea, motion sickness, dehydration and electrolytes, sinus and allergies, another sinus and allergies, and another allergies/sleep. Super convenient. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up for you. Here we go. Okay, it's a good seal. This is what it looks like. We'll go ahead and just take the contents out. I can seal it up when you're not using it. Here is everything. They're individually wrapped. So not only can you resell them in here, you don't have a bunch of big bottles floating around. Everything is nice and flat. It's not going to take up much room in your travel bag. The truth is that when you're traveling and you got to get this stuff, it's expensive. You ever been to the airport? Just buy one of these little packs of like ibuprofen. It's like $6, $7. It's crazy. So you're going to save yourself a bunch of money in the long run. There really is something in here for everybody. It kind of covers all the most common things that you might experience. Definitely pick this up, check it out. That is my quick review. And as always, thanks for watching.